So in this video we'll be doing a very basic introduction of what is Excel, and I'll be showing how it works and whatnot. So this, what you see on screen right now, is just a very basic spreadsheet. That's what they call it, with a lot of sheets. Let me just change this to black. Here you can see there are different sheets. There's sheet 1, sheet 2, and if you have more than one of these, here you call that a workbook. That's where I start. I know that I started very upside down, so that's a workbook because there are a lot of these. So also what you need to know here, these ones we call them tabs, but I know that you've seen these ones in your Microsoft Word or any processor that you're using. Okay, so let's try to move on. And one block here, let me say where there is 2, you see here there is actually 2. So 2 here has a how do you say, if you want to make a reference for that 2, you look at the column and you look at the row. Look, that means 2 is on position 2 is on position C or reference C3. You see, what about 15? Let's see if you get it. Okay, you guess right. 15, that is 15 going to give you C7. What about this word corporate? Not only numbers have references, so everything that is on a cell has a reference. So corporate is going to be on I. What's the number here? You go here. What's the number here? 3. So that's how you actually name or reference to anything or any cell in your Excel. So what else I need to mention? And here there are tabs. If you're interested, there are tabs there. Let me go to second sheet. Okay, so I was talking that each of these things have names. Let me see if I click B. If I click this B, you can see here it's telling me this is B2. If I click E, it's also saying here this is E3. That's the same logic that we've been using trying to name. So if I could click anything here, it will be exactly as I meant it. Okay, I think that's very basic cell referencing. So what if you want to say okay, I will look at this very late. So I have to mention that let me here you have what you call tabs, and tabs have different functions. You see here, if you click insert, you can insert very much things. You can insert from pictures to other data. We can import data and all those stuff also from here. Okay, and then there is draw. I don't remember using draw, but it's here just in case you have a need for it. And then there is layout, there is formulas, there is data. These are all the tabs that it has. It's almost the same as the one that you have on your word processor, also for Microsoft. So let's continue. What else we need to mention? Okay, I think I'm supposed to remove that. Okay, so I need to mention you that one of these, you call them spreadsheet, but now if you add another one, let me say here I decide to add another one, it's going to be, now I have two actually, sheet 1 and sheet 2. And you know, from your book has more than one pages, and these are like pages. You can add many as you want, and they are very useful if you're working with really big data. So you can actually add data on this one and go to the other one, add data on it, go to another one, add data on the other one also. So okay, before I forget, if you wanna create a new file, you can go here and then you do create new, or you open the one you already have, so it's now already inside. Now we're here. So what else I forgot to mention is that why can you use Excel anyway? Maybe someone's like, okay, we have said so much, why will where will I use Excel? So Excel, if you're working in almost in every field, it's more of one of the First thing, as a professional, you need to know, except sending emails, obviously. So it is used for data management, analyzing and visualizing data. Maybe you want to plot and show to your clients, or maybe even your boss, how the numbers are working, how the profit, how the sales are going, or even doing very complex math for engineering, like adding vectors, matrices. It's do all of that for you. So I think that's much you need to know for introduction. Don't forget that this is a series, so go check for other videos continuation of this one. Thank you.